About Tableau, if I want to say about Tableau, since then, when I started working on Tableau, everyone suggested me about choosing some other platform where you can have that consistent career growth. So like, don't depend on tools, or Tableau will not survive in the market for it will stay in the market just for 5 or 6 months or more than. If you go on this with more than 1 year, then you can't find your career in Tableau. That these are the suggestions I got whenever I ask my friends to give some reference in their companies. But I was in Tableau. I will be in Tableau. So if you are looking for Tableau as a career, then it is not about course or it is not about anything. But what I'm saying is that Tableau is the future. Why it is the future? Again, you are looking at that, right? Whatever you talk, whatever you do, whatever you do anything, you are producing data. You need to analyze data. End of the day, to analyze something, to report something, you need these tools. You can't call Tableau as a tool, then you can call Tableau as a language. That's it. That's all I can say about it right now. Once we are into Tableau, you learn a lot about Tableau. This is about that. Rajeshwar, you can take.
Yeah. Okay. So in the training, I'll be going through the logical part. I'll be training the logical part, and Kalpana will be training the functional part of Tableau. So now let us come to this aspect of scenario-based Tableau training. Now, what is scenario-based Tableau training? Now, as I told you, in real time, right? In real time, whenever you're working, obviously the end goal is to build dashboards, and the end from there you publish it on the server so that your end users will come and use those dashboards, right? But in when you are building dashboard is made of certain views, and every view is a scenario. So that is how we built this scenario based Tableau tree, so that we will talk about those scenarios in the real time. How do you get the data? How do you manipulate the data to what do you say, to satisfy the need of the client? And then by that, how do you get the visualization? From there, how do you get the dashboard? And then we'll even talk about server, where how do you publish that, how do you the row level security and all other aspects we'll be talking in those. So here in this training, actually speaking, in this training, the basic funda I talk about scenario based Tableau training is there is no coding, no scripting, only logic. Before going in, I just want to know what are the backgrounds that you are, because like just type in your background. What are you working currently? What is your industry that you're working? Because what I always feel, right? I am a computer science graduate, but I'm a computer science graduate. I'm typing in. I'm into. Pardon me spellings. Yeah. See, I'm into computer science. After that, I'll tell you my story. So see, I see here Datorama, pharmaceutical engineering, finance domain, manufacturing and procurement. Uh, I think, yeah. So all these things, Snowflake plus Datorama marketing. So there are many people from many backgrounds, right? There's consulting and manufacturing domain, marketing. See, with these domains, what I say is Tableau is for everyone. You can be from medical domain, you can be from pharma domain, you can be from mechanical domain, mechanical engineering, you can be from computer science domain. For everyone, Tableau is the tool. Because before going and telling you this about why Tableau is for everyone, let me talk about my life. 2008, I was passed out computer science. After that, I didn't do any computer science related jobs. I worked in Google Maps which is a KPO, right? And then I went for my MBA. And after my MBA, I did I worked as marketing manager for 1 year, right? After working for marketing manager for 1 year, then that is where actually Kalpana, she's already started working on Tableau. And that is where she introduced me to Tableau. And trust me, guys, from that day till date, I never regretted that decision. To be frank, the moment I started, I didn't know T about Tableau. I don't even know SQL. I don't even know SQL. I don't even know Tableau. I don't even know how data is. How do you get that data? How do you analyze that? All this, nothing, zero. But with the help of Kalpana, I learned Tableau in such a way that I just fell in love with this. Why am I telling this? Because Tableau is for everyone, not only me. Because if I can do it, because I'm not a data, I'm not a techie guy. I did my computer science engineering, but I was always running away from the IT industry. But Tableau is what which pulled me back. So Tableau is for everyone. Now, why do I say Tableau is for everyone? Now, everyone might be saying the same, but the Tableau is for everyone is because it doesn't need for you to learn any coding or scripting. Only logic. If you have your logic strong, then you are ready. You are good to work on Tableau. Okay, and how are in this training process? The the duration of the training is 3 months, in which we will be teaching all aspects. We'll be discussing all aspects of Tableau in detail. Now, how does this training work? Now, let me log in here. Let me log into Tableau. So, the moment you log into Tableau, right? If you click on this, my courses, right? The moment you log into raipatanalytics.com, the moment you click on your my courses, here you will be taken to this page where you have these courses. And here you'll not be seeing all this. You will be seeing only those courses that you have access to. Now, let me go into this. Now, here you'll be getting recorded videos. As we told, recorded videos will contain theoretical explanation of Tableau. So by theoretical explanation of Tableau, I mean whatever Tableau we have, right? In that, whatever the understanding about the tool, right? Now, any tool that you have, there are two parts, right? First, understanding the tool, and then applying it to the real time so that you can get the solutions. So these recorded videos, right? These recorded videos will contain about the recorded videos, the theoretical explanation of all the aspects of Tableau, right? These will contain all the aspects of Tableau. Okay, and for every recorded session, after every weeks, we have divided it in week level. And then after every week's recorded videos, you'll have scenarios. And these are the scenarios we will be discussing in the video. Right? See, these are all the videos that you have. And after that, a bit, whenever the topic is important, we split it based on the topic wise. So you'll have in first 2 weeks itself, you'll have 16 videos. All are not long, all only short. There are only bit 3 or 4 videos are a bit long, but we made sure that it will not go more than how much long is this?
Hi guys, welcome to another Tableau session.
Yeah, so it is 8 minutes, 10 minutes long, so that you can actually consume that video then and there itself. Right? Along with that, you'll be given scenarios. You can address those scenarios the same way. We have scenarios for all these week 3 scenarios. Every week scenarios we have it in here. Right? So how does this work? Now every week we will be giving you like what videos to watch. Right? Even in this training, we'll be giving you what videos to watch. Once you watch the videos, right? For week 1, you watched all these videos. Then once you watch these videos, go here and try these scenarios. Now, once you try these scenarios, then it will in the live sorry, in the real-time discussions that we are having, right, the live sessions. Now, here, as I told you, first it will be recorded videos. You will watch those recorded videos, the theoretical explanation of Tableau. They are self-paced, and then you will get these scenarios which are conceptual plus real-time based, and then we will be coming to live sessions. Live sessions will happen every day, every weekday, Monday to Friday. Now this batch is at 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And when I start the discussion, it will be 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. But yeah, so at that, in that, first thing is your doubts. First 10 minutes, like 7 to 7:05, 7 to 7:10 or 7:15, your doubts will be discussed. Right? We'll be clearly discussing any doubts that you have. We'll be discussing those doubts. That doubts can contain the theoretical aspect as well as the scenarios that were already discussed, because the scenarios that we are going to discuss are already present, right? So we'll be discussing those scenarios. Along with this, right? Along with this, we will be discussing those scenarios that we have in this scenarios page, right? And not only this, if you have any doubt or if you have any scenario that you want to address, then you can bring that scenario. We will discuss this in here. But the only caution is the doubt should be about all the topics that are already covered, because if we are discussing a doubt which is not yet covered, that doesn't make any sense, and that will confuse the other learners as well, right? So whatever is completed, you can do. And along with this, actually, we haven't yet mentioned, but along with this, we are also giving live tests. If you see here, when I go to back to courses, we are already providing, we have already given one chance to all the batches. So the live test option is there, where you can address that and answer that, try to answer that, and get to know what is your level of understanding on Tableau. Right? And along with this, we are also conducting mock interviews, right? So that once you complete the live test, then we will be conducting the mock interview to assess your knowledge on Tableau. And first thing is to remove the interview fear and assess your knowledge on Tableau and give you a constructive feedback. What are the areas that you need to improve? Right? All these things we are even providing mock interviews. And above that, right, here when we are discussing about live sessions, we discuss that, okay, when whatever you have doubt, we can discuss in this live session. But what if you have a doubt which is not part, like which is an advanced part, or you have a doubt which is not yet covered, the topic that is not yet covered, even during the training and after the training also, we are conducting monthly doubt sessions. Right? These monthly doubt sessions is where we will discuss all your real-time scenarios. That is, on this earlier we thought it's monthly, but we are now taking it twice a month, on second Sunday and fourth Sunday. Right? So that all your doubts, right? Now here, whenever you join, you'll be added to a WhatsApp group. There you can ask your doubts. Once the training is done, we'll be adding you to a Telegram group with all my trainees in that, so that you can ask your doubts there also. Along with that, like now there, all the doubts cannot be discussed in the discussion in the chat, right? You need to present your screen, show your scenario and all those things. So for that, we will be planning these monthly doubt sessions, right? So in that doubt sessions, you can ask your doubts. And not only this, we are also we are starting SQL videos, and there is an expert, Peter Parker, who is a Tableau prep expert, who will be discussing about Tableau prep as well. And also Kalpana is handling the Tableau server part. But in server part, we will be discussing to the level only that site admin requires, because the training is about Tableau developer, right? So that is why. Along with that, we also have Tableau weekly challenges. Now we are going to restart this. Well, the first time we did this for around 9 weeks. Again, we are restarting this now. Here, every week we will be putting these challenges. So if you are good at that challenge, and if you can address those challenges, right, then you can start addressing those challenges by tagging. The procedure is there here. You can go through this procedure and you can understand. So these weekly Tableau challenges, and based on the number of reach of your post, we will be selecting the top. What do you say? Top three. Earlier it was top four. Now it is top three, along with the post. Now someone clicks here, he will be taken to the post that which made you win that. What do you say? Win that challenge, so that this can be a very good resume point for you also, right? So this is about the total training process, right? And yeah, anyone from previous batches present? Hi, anyone from the previous batches?
Hi, Rajeshwar. This is Lavanya. I'm from batch 5.
Hey, Lavanya, hi. Hey, Lavanya,
Yeah.
for all you, Lavanya recently got her job. Yeah, Lavanya.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. This is Lavanya. Currently working in Capgemini in testing. But based on my interest, I have joined in the Raipart Analytics to learn Tableau. And I'm from batch 5. I just, I have completed my training just 2 weeks back. And after that, we have as per the guidance of Rajeshwar and Kalpana, we have uploaded our resume and we have given interviews. We started giving the interviews, and I recently got job in Subcandy Solutions as a Tableau developer. And here the training is very good, and the trainers are very much informative, and they are very efficient to clear the doubts and each and everything. Even we have the small question also, they have so much patience to explain. So, and as Rajeshwar told, we have like once the course is almost done, they have conducted the live test, which will help us to understand how much knowledge we have gained on the Tableau, and based on that we will get some idea like how the interview will be. Based on that only, I even whatever the questions and all they have given in that mock test and all, which was very helpful for me to crack the interview. And coming to the mock interviews also, I have given mock interviews recently with Rajeshwar and some other team from Raipat Analytics group, and it was very good and a great experience for me to crack my interview. In that way also, it was very helpful. So I am suggested everyone to join in this, and whatever the domain you are currently working, it is very useful and you will gain lots and lots of knowledge. And if you have any questions, any kind of questions, you can directly contact Kalpana or Rajeshwar personally. If you have any, if you're feeling guilty also, they will suggest you in such a way that whatever the doubts it may be, they will clarify, and it will be 100%, they will give you the 100% resolution as per my experience. So, okay, guys, all the very best, and let's see further. Yeah, Rajeshwar, that's all about me.
Thank you, Lavanya. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajeshwar.
Anyone else, guys?
Hi, Rajeshwar, Deepak here.
Hey, Deepak, hi.
Hope you are able to hear me.
Yeah, very clear.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Actually, my kind of journey with respect to Tableau is slightly different. So I had come into this training with a different purpose. So I had some level of knowledge in Tableau, and I'd also got a job as a Tableau developer. But the area I was lacking in was to actually doing the hands-on with respect to working on whatever the visualizations and whatever the problem statements. So actually, once I just came across Rayapatti Tableau's YouTube website. So it was a very simple. It was actually complicated for me with just seeing the statement. So it was a simple YTD calculation. So I wanted to give a real-time situation. So when I just went through that video that Rajeshwar had done, it made me realize, like, once you break it down to simple steps, right, it is quite easy to approach any situation, any complex scenario also. So that was my motivation to join this training. Although I had prior Tableau knowledge, so so this actually I found that once I started working on these scenarios, right, whatever they give on a weekly basis based on all the theoretical concepts, so that made me more confident in my current job itself. So I would suggest, like, this is totally different. This kind of training and support that currently they are providing in this course is something that you will not find anywhere else, especially with respect to certain complex topics like date calculations and LODs, right? I'm quite sure you will not be able to find these kind of, whatever details. It's kind of the inner workings of Tableau. So that's what I would like to just share my personal experience. So it is it will be a value add for anyone who's trying to gain more experience with respect to Tableau and further in their career. That's it, Rajesh.
Okay. Thank you, Deepak. Anyone else present? Okay. So that is about the training is, and also we have even thought that because I too was a student at some times, and many a times I was in journey or some other things where I was not able to attend the session. So that is why we even for these live sessions we even provide the recordings. You'll even get the recordings of the live sessions. Along with that, we have even launched our mobile app. So in Google Play Store, like currently it's only Android app, right? So you can even download this mobile app, right? Which is a scenario-based Tableau training by Raipat Analytics. You can download this mobile app and you can watch the recorded videos. You can attend live sessions, even if you can even attend. You can attend the live tests. Everything that you can do, it can be done in. And also you can download the videos like we download the videos in YouTube, right? The same way you can download the videos. If there is a reception problem or anything, you can even download these videos and you can address them, right? So that is how we are. Along with that, here there is a public forum where you can start asking your doubts, right? And then where we can address those doubts. Okay. So that is in toto. And along with this, we are helping in many other ways. One is like already discussed, social profile building. If someone is very much interested in building their social profile, right? We are here. We will help you, because I've been, if you know me on LinkedIn, I've been very vocal about self-brand. Because if some opportunity needs to find its way to you rather than you going for an opportunity, right? That is where building your social profile will be very much helpful, right? And monthly, actually it's now it's not monthly, actually fortnightly doubt session, because we are conducting twice a month. So we will be having these doubt sessions, so that even once the training is done, we will not leave you. It's not like just the training is done, you are left. If you don't know me, I don't know you. Not that funda. Because we even want to be there for you. Because I love Tableau. I love solving complicated scenarios in Tableau. And doubt sessions is one thing which I literally enjoy. Because I get to solve new and complicated scenarios. Right? And also quizzes and assignments. As I told you, there is a live test. And in where we are planning quizzes and assignments. Along with that, we are even planning for a mock interviews and also the discussion forum, right? So where we can, as I showed you, the discussion forums in here. I don't know where that is. In this, the public forum where you can discuss about all those things. And along with this, as I told you, there is a mock interview as well. Right? Even we are getting we are planning to get certain recruiting partners as well. It is not that you, after the training, you in the current market, you need to be looking for a job elsewhere, because you will be getting a number of calls. But even from our side, we are even planning for getting these recruiting partners as well. Right? So finally, who can learn this Tableau? Anyone, non-technical background. I myself am a example of non-technical background. Working on cross technologies, I've seen many people in my training itself. I've seen many people who, someone even in the chat, they said they wanted to move on to Tableau, right? Because the pay bracket is good and the growth is high. Anyone working in IT in the cross technology, like in the database or in the front end languages, anything, you can move on to Tableau. Anyone. And students, it is the best way because the future is data, and that too data visualization, data science, and all. So you can start your career with Tableau, where you have like good openings, at least internships also you have. And also it is for already Tableau developers like Deepak, who have already told us, right? So like he's already a Tableau developer, but he wanted to understand the advanced concepts of Tableau. So Tableau is for everyone. Even if some people, if anyone is here with a career gap in their career, I'm another living example for that, because I didn't work from October 2019 to September 2020. I didn't work. You can call me jobless. You can call me that as a career gap, or you can take that call that as a work break or anything. But yeah, even with a gap of 1 year, I got more than 100% of hike in the past 1.5 years, right? From the moment I started working in September 2020. So that is how Tableau can help any of you. And the course curriculum, whatever is being taught in here, you can see this, right? So here in these modules, you can see this, and whatever is in the module, we'll be teaching in that, right? All these things we'll be covering. So I keep getting these questions like, why, 3 months for a Tableau training and everyone is teaching in 1 month and 1.5 months. But see the depth of the topics that we are teaching, right? In every topic, in every module, we went to even nook and corner in Tableau, and we covered almost all the aspects in Tableau, right? And this is Tableau server and also Tableau prep, right? And there are certain FAQs. If you want to go through the FAQs, you can go through these FAQs. Okay. So that is about the scenario-based Tableau training, and the timings of the batch are 7 to 8 p.m. weekdays, Monday to Friday, and the sessions will be commencing from tomorrow evening, 7 to 8 p.m. Okay. So anyone has any doubts? Yeah, now it's open, guys. If you have any questions, you can.
Yeah, so one from my side. So for the Tableau, would you be providing us with the software, or
Tableau software is when it is Tableau, actually Tableau has, when you are working on that, it has Tableau desktop.
Yeah.
Right. This it comes with 14-day trial, but if you have any student license or anyone student in your circle, you can upload them, like something called Tableau for Students. Here, if you upload that ID card, you will get the license, which is valid for 2 years. But the only thing is, the student should be 16 years and above. 16 years and above, and should be having a valid ID. So when you do that, when you upload that in here, it will not get open, but yeah, here it will get opened. Let me put this in. So here, if you fill that and you upload the ID card, you'll get access to that. If not, if this is not the case, if you don't have any ID card, then there is something called Tableau Public. And if you can download this Tableau Public, it is free. There is no expiry date, nothing. It is free to download and free to use. Only two shortcomings are, you cannot connect to all the data sources. There is a limitation in connecting to the data sources, and you cannot save a local copy in your system. You have to share it on Tableau Public any which ways. Nowadays, it is very important that you build your Tableau Public profile. So whatever you are working on, just post it in the Tableau Public, so that whoever comes in the future in the interviews, you can use that URL in your resume. Any recruiter who comes here will understand, okay, this guy has done a decent work on Tableau. So you can either use Tableau Desktop and get a student license, or you can use Tableau Public.
In terms of functional understanding, like is there any difference apart from the datasets that cannot be imported?
No. Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop both are exactly the same, except for whatever I told you.
Okay.
Right? Here there is something called server, right? Here in okay. Let me connect to Super. Now, when I go to the data, the new data sources, so there is a limitation here, the number of data sources that it can connect to. And when in here you have the save and save as option, right? It will not, you will not be having, you can only publish it to Tableau Public. And from server, here you can only connect to Tableau Public only. You cannot connect to any other server. These are the only differences. Rest all, whatever you are seeing, it is same for both. No change at all.
Okay.
Okay. Any
So-
other doubts?
Yeah, one more from my side. So I saw like you showed us one of the demo test that you have posted on the analytics website, on your own website. Yeah, online test. I think the first one.
Okay, online test. Yeah.
So I mean, is this test meant to be opted only after we finish the course, right? Or we can do it anytime?
Obviously, because you need to have that understanding before taking this test, right? See, this test is because once the course is done,
So
this
is it just
test-
to check if you are like eligible or to take the certification or not?
certification or interviews, so that once we get this result, based on that, when we along with that, we'll be conducting mock interviews, right?
Mhm.
Then we'll be able to give you a proper feedback.
So do you provide some dumps for the certification as well? Like,
Certification is there. We provide certification.
no, the Tableau certification. So you provide the,
Certification, actually, our theoretical videos, if you can complete the theoretical videos itself, it is more than enough.
Mhm. What I meant is like for the Tableau certification that we do. So is there any kind of dumps that you provide, like the frequent
Not
question
yet. We
that-
are working on that. For certification, not yet. To the level, I can say, let me rephrase that. To the level of certification, we haven't yet started, but we are planning to start, because for certification, there is the Tableau has changed the certifications as well right now, right?
Mhm.
Kind of certifications also. So yeah, we are planning to come up with those certification level with quizzes, quiz questions like multiple choice questions, as well as assignments like task, that scenario that is given in certifications, right? We are planning for something like that as well.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So any other doubts, guys?
Hi Rajeshwar, Vinayak here.
Hi. Hey, Uday.
So actually I am from support background. So will it be good to learn the Tableau development, or
Yeah.
or I will face issues like
I
I know
think
basic of Python and SQL.
then you are good to go.
Okay.
Actually speaking,
Thank
I
you.
think Shrikant is the one who should answer this question, because he is a central government employee, and he is now a
Oh.
Tableau. Shrikant, you there?
Yes, I am here.
He is the one who should answer that question.
Yeah, like leaving my central government job status. I mean, in the year I worked in central government for 10 years. In the year 2019, I decided to shift to Tableau. I mean, looking at Rajeshwar only, because like his salary was 3 times my salary, even though I worked for 10 years in central government. And the thing is, pressure of the work, I mean, compared is very less. And also, like, first of all, I did not go into any software, even though I am from computer science background. I did not plan my career in coding, and the Tableau was like it does not require coding. So just looking for at least 1 week, I got interest on that subject, and I took almost for 6 months. I prepared it, and after that, I have started providing job supports on Tableau, and I resigned my job last 6 months back, and I'm part of Rayapati Analytics right now.
Oh,
Okay. So see, he is a proper government, central government employee. Yeah, you worked as a system admin there, where he used to install all these databases and all, but he never worked on this Tableau. And literally, what he says is compared to sort of central government job, private job is pretty easy. That is what he says. I don't know. We have to be in his shoes to understand that.
No,
But
in that case, like if a person who is ready to work and who does not need a push from anyone, doesn't require a government job, it is good to go with private job. At that varies. It is my personal opinion.
yeah, it again differs person to person. But yeah, his opinion is that. So yeah, and someone asked about fee structure, right? Yeah, so the fee is 20,000 for the training, which will include all that training part and live test along with that. One mock interview will also be provided, so that will give you a constructive feedback on how should you approach the interviews. Okay, so there is an installment option also. So if you want to talk about in further detail, you can call 9121314333. Shika, who has just now spoke to you, right? He will be addressing your all your queries regarding this fee and what is the process of enroll and other things. Even along with that, actually speaking, the first 2 weeks of training is free to access. Whoever want to attend, right? First 2 weeks of training is free to access. So you can ask him the same. He will be providing you access. Once you register in the website, you need to register in the website, then only we can give you access, because you need to access those, you need access to those recorded videos, right? So, right? The recorded videos and all those things, right? So you need access to all of them. So that is why please do register on that and reach out to Mr. Srikanth, right? So that he will give you access. Like you will be having first 2 weeks recorded sessions access and also live sessions for the first 2 weeks access. Right? So this is the number. For a fresher, Tableau for a fresher, somewhere around like for fresher there is no standard price. It starts from 12 PA also. So again, in current market, there is nothing standardized, because people are getting 150% hike. One person from batch 2, he got 160% hike, 6 lakhs to 16 lakhs. And one guy who is somewhere around 8 lakhs or something, he got 17.8, which is renegotiated. He already got an offer from a company, and he got a higher package from another company, and he renegotiated the package with the first company. So there is no standard packages, but yeah, for a fresher, it starts from 2 LPA to, I don't know, I've seen someone getting 4-5 LPA also. And in my relatives, one girl, she's getting 65 in hand. She is a fresher. 65,000 per month. Okay, that is in hand, that is she is getting. So there is no standardization. It depends on how much you can market yourself and how much they can pay. Right? Yeah.
Hi, Rajeshwar. Mahesh is this.
Hi.
Yeah, so I'm working in the support and support for development for the PLC call. So, like, I have experience in the PLC call only. So, after completing this training, so how to show in a resume like I have work experience in the Tableau, and after this training, how many years of experience we can show in Tableau?
Okay. Yeah. So first thing is how to show this in Tableau. One big thing with Tableau is nowadays every industry, technical, non-technical, every industry. Recently, someone from tire manufacturing, right? They asked me to develop dashboards for them. the negotiations are in progress. So every industry is currently looking for Tableau developers, data visualization developers in a whole, in which Tableau is a major share. Now, if you are from any background, right? If you are from any background, then you can portray yourself as you are working, you worked on Tableau. Just like I generally give this example. Someone from KPO, just like Google Maps I've done. Someone from a KPO approached me, stating, "Sir, I have this experience. How to show this in Tableau?" So the way I suggest is first learn Tableau, and once you learn Tableau here in this with us, if you can learn Tableau, you will be equivalent to 4 years plus Tableau developer in the market. Right? Because the scenarios, actually speaking, they are, you can even crack interviews with a higher experience, 6 years also. But yeah, we like everyone has their own level of understanding, their depth of understanding, because some are from technical background, some are from non-technical background, right? So that is why we say minimum 4 years you can put. So 4 years of experience you can put, and whenever you are talking about your experience, then you can say, I'm working in a KPO. There is an internal requirement, because this is happening nowadays. There is an internal requirement for a Tableau developer, because they wanted to bring Tableau as a part of the data analytics in that project. They wanted to include Tableau as a part of data analytics in that project. Then they brought Tableau and they asked us to volunteer. Anyone who can learn Tableau and who can clear the interview, right? With the technical team who can clear the interview, they are good to go. So by that time you already know Tableau, so you volunteered and you cracked that interview, and by which you started working on Tableau. And from there, now after a certain period, now you want to move from that. Does this look convincing?
Yeah, Rajat, got it.
Yeah.
So, like, we have 4 years of the development and support experience. So, we can show like we have a work experience 1-2 years in the Tableau as well. So, this will be work, right?
Yeah. Whichever level you are comfortable in, whichever length you can interview, when you are clearing the interview, you will get that understanding, right? Which experience I can clear the interview. Then you can portray that amount, like first attend a couple of interviews, understand, and wherever you can map to that year, 2 years, 4 years, or 6 years, whatever it is, you can map to that and you can attend the interviews and clear them.
Okay.
Yeah, Nagaraju, I know this is out of subject. I'm currently coming in 2 months. I'm trying to get in. That is industry problem, Nagaraj, because now currently everyone wants 1 month and below. So first thing is 2 months, but there are people who are getting the one Lavanya, right? She got with a 90 days notice period also, she got her job. So I think if you want to play a safe game, then look out for those companies who are actually allowing 2 months of notice period. There are companies, because in market it is hard to find the candidates right now. So even with a notice period, they are okay. Some companies, not all. So you can start using this, like you can start looking for those companies. And once you are, sorry, my throat. Once you got that company, then that is where you can start playing your game. You can resign, you have this, and then you can start looking for other opportunities as well. Right? And Banoj, I am a finance, don't have knowledge in message. Yeah, we'll be covering a part of SQL. We are going to start mostly from tomorrow. We are going to start SQL classes as well. So yeah, first focus on Tableau. My point is first learn Tableau and then focus on SQL, because once you start learning SQL and Tableau both together, you cannot justify neither or give proper time neither to Tableau nor to SQL. So that is why first focus on Tableau. Once the training is done, you can start learning Tableau, SQL as well. 8 years plus, bhai, that's like whatever you want, because I can state people are working from right from 16 lakhs to somewhere around 30 to 35 lakhs. The bracket is huge. And it is not, earlier I would have asked, I would have said it depends on your previous package, but currently it doesn't. Because as I told you, 100% hike is very much, what do you say, the packages are, I don't know, 100% is very much normal nowadays. Not, I'm not even, let me clear this also. I'm not even talking about, yeah, then you can go to 30 also. Okay. So there is a guy who is at 10 lakhs. Earlier it was 7, and he recently 6 months back put his papers. They increased it to 11. Now again he put his papers. They directly increased his package to 20 or 21 within the company. That to an MNC. So that is the level of packages out there. They are crazy. So I can't even give you a bracket. What is, how, to which level you can bargain is what is important. Okay. Prasad, is there any minimum education criteria? Suppose I have a diploma that to electrical domain, can I get job based on that? Training diploma, with a diploma, I'm not sure. I think people will ask graduation as a minimum, but now big companies like Google and all, they are stopped asking about your education qualifications for a job. Only the criteria is to clear their interviews and start working. But I think you can try. I am not sure if there are any companies that can allow diploma. Like, I cannot name them, but yeah, companies might be ready. If you are good with your subject, why not? They can take you, right? That is what even you can pitch in, right? Even without a graduation, I can work equal or more than efficiently than a graduated as Tableau developer, right? Yeah, Yogita. Yeah, what is your doubt? You can ask. Okay, so, and one more thing, to whoever those who register by before tomorrow, like 17th, before the end of 17th tomorrow, the fees, that is only 18,000. 18,000 is the fee for those who register before, and enroll into the training before 17th. Today it is 16th, right? So tomorrow 17th, 12 a.m., like 11:30, 11:50, whatever it is time is. By that time, if someone enrolls, the fees is only 18,000. Yes, Yogita, someone else raised their hand. Yogita?
Hello, sir. Good
Hey,
morning.
hi. Good morning.
Yeah, actually, I was about to ask you that my sister is from the different background, like she's from the MSc. So can she go for the Tableau?
Yeah, as I told you, there's a central government employee. There is one guy who was a faculty in a college, lecturer. There
Yeah,
is
so she was also a lecturer.
Yeah, then lecturers, they have good grasping power, right? They can actually become a very good, they can learn fast, and they can implement fast, and they can actually become an software employee fast compared to others, like the grasping power, because they are in the teaching field for a very longer period, right? Yeah, anyone can come.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Because there are people from mechanical background, they got good packages. And some housewives who want to restart their career, right?
Yeah.
One lady recently, that she has been a housewife for a longer period. Now she wanted to restart her career, and she successfully did that.
Oh, that's great.
Helping in that way as well. Anyone with like any type of background, any type of career gap or anything, yeah, that chance is there. And Reshma has raised a hand.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Reshma.
I had been working as a data analyst for 2.5 years now.
Mm-hmm.
So I am looking for a change as Tableau developer.
Mm-hmm.
So in the interviews, they specifically ask Tableau server utilities and the connections and reflections of the data source.
Yeah.
So I don't have experience in specific, like in those aspects of Tableau. So
yeah,
is it expected to know everything? Like
Like,
I don't
see,
know.
being a Tableau developer, you are expected to know some basics about the server. Like, how do you publish your data source? How do you publish a workbook? How do you refresh them? How do you schedule that refresh? And how to create users, how to create groups, and how do you give them permissions? These things are there. And how do you give the row level security and all these things? These things we will be discussing. Like, in majority, they will be asking at the level of site admin, right?
Right.
If you should be knowing at the level of site admin. So that we will be covering in the training. So not to worry.
Okay. And the scope of Tableau, as you said, like it will be increasing only in the coming years. So
See, Tableau is currently Tableau and Power BI. These both are the market leaders, and no other tool is anywhere near them. So
right.
it is going to be. See, I can promise that it is going to stay for the next 4-5 years, and 5 years down the line. See, once you get into Tableau, I suggest Tableau is a gateway into the IT industry. Once you come here, start working it, then you start learning other aspects. Learn SQL in depth. Learn PL SQL. Then learn data. Then learn data modeling. Then learn something like Python. Then you can upskill yourself towards data science. So don't expect to stay as a Tableau developer for a longer period. Stay as a Tableau developer for 3 years or 5 years. Learn other technologies, upskill yourself, and move on to other technologies. Right?
Yes. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So does that mean we need to do prayer before starting? Yeah, Ankit, you need to.
I'm sorry. There are two questions.
Yeah.
Can you scroll up a bit? Yeah.
This one or
yeah. So actually, it was into. But so basically, my question was: so as you told earlier that we would be you have some theoretical classes, tutorials online on the application. Yeah.
Yeah.
So do we need to priorly go through all the videos first, then only start with our online classes? Is it a mandate?
Not all, week wise. Now here, if you see, let me go into. Yeah. So here, first week, when we are starting our first week, we'll ask you to go through these videos. Okay. So, like on Friday will be when one topic ends, right? 1 week ends. Then you'll on that weekend, whenever you have time, you need to complete those videos.
Okay.
Along with that, if you get time, you can even practice the scenarios. So that in the total next week, from Monday to Friday, you'll focus on scenarios, and we'll be discussing scenarios, and any other doubts that you get, we can resolve them in there.
Okay.
Right? Because here, see, when you complete the theoretical part, you will have a first level of understanding. Then with the scenarios, you'll have a reinforcement of that, whatever the theoretical understanding is there. And in the doubt session, it is a second level of reinforcement, because we'll be again discussing those scenarios in detail. Now here, if you have already addressed that, you might have solved it in one way, and we might have solved it in another way. Then that is the furthermore learning, right? So that is why we planned it in such a way.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that, see, we wanted to give our detailed information into Tableau, but again, there's a time constraint, right? Now if we discuss this theoretical concept as well as implementation concept, it will go to 6 months, right? We are ready to give it, but many of the people, they are not ready to take that much duration just to learn Tableau. So that is why what we did is we gave theoretical part as a self-paced, where you can learn on your level, on your time and your comfort, and then you can attend the live session. Even if you miss the live sessions, anyways, you will get the recordings, just like in here.
Okay. And access to this particular profile is valid till the classes?
Actually speaking, see, now here, we generally say it is 1 year. The reason we say it is 1 year, because if I say lifetime, I think it's a common question, right? How many, like for me, if you ask me, how many Udemy courses are there which I just brought, which I haven't yet touched them? There I can say 15 or 17. right? So we don't want the same to happen to this. So that is why we put a 1 year limit, which is again extendable. It is not that we are not going to even charge to extend that, but our point is you have to come, you have to try to complete it within 1 year. Otherwise, you will not get that urge to complete it.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Manish. Sir, I have completed BTech Mem from BU and I did working in steel maximum. I'm not interested. I'm interested in data. So perfectly, you can. And steel manufacturing plant, they have data. They want to visualize the data. They want to understand the bottlenecks, right? And in these steel manufacturing, they want to see where their production is high, where their production is low, and they want to assess the performance of each department, employee, or anything. For all these, they need dashboards. It's not a one-day task, right? They should be doing that day on and on. So then they'll be needing all these. So you can portray that as a Tableau developer. You worked. See, being a mechanical engineer, you went into steel manufacturing and you have started working there, and then you got interested in Tableau and you started learning Tableau, and then you started implementing Tableau in the same, and now you're a Tableau developer with a mechanical background. Your background is there with you. You're not leaving that. Right? In future, there's a company which is looking for a mechanical engineer who is also a Tableau developer, because if he's a mechanical engineer and a Tableau developer, there's a less amount of thing that they need to train him on, right? He already knows certain concepts of their business or anything. So that is why if a mechanical engineering company is looking for a Tableau developer, then you are a hot cake, right? Or a steel manufacturing company like Tata Steels or something is looking for some Tableau developer, then you are good to go, because you already understand their terminology, right? So that is when you can bank on. Right? Any other doubts?
Yeah, so on the higher level of experience, someone who's having the higher level of experience, so is Soul Tableau perfectly to get I mean, gives a good chance of getting a higher package?
See, Soul Tableau can help you get a job and sustain in a job for a while. But yeah, you'll need to cross skill as well as upskill as your experience increases, because Soul Tableau can never suffice what you suffice your technical skills and skill set. And also at some point of time, like end of the day, Tableau is a tool, right? So some point of the time, 5 years, 6 years down the line, it might lose its demand and some other new tool might come into the picture. So it is better to upskill. See, cross skill, I say, once you learn Tableau, then focus on SQL. And once you learn SQL, then focus on data modeling. And then come back, learn Python. And then learn statistics, which is statistics and maths, and then go to data science.
So by data model, you mean, isn't that something a part of Tableau itself, like modeling the data and stuff?
No. Data modeling itself is a concept.
Okay.
So that concept, that data modeling is an ocean, because data modeling is the base to how these databases are created, in that how these tables are created, and how these primary keys and foreign keys come, how do the normalization of tables occur. That is a different science altogether.
Mm-hmm.
So
basically moving towards the data science stuff. Yeah.
Pardon?
Moving towards the data science stuff.
Rather than saying that, when I say Tableau, SQL, and data modeling, I say understanding the data. Even before being a data scientist, you need to understand the data, right? So that is where it will help you understand the data first, and then you can start. You can start implementing. Right? Once you understand, get a clarity on data, then I suggest Python, but it's not that everyone should learn Python, is because majority of the data science concepts are implemented using Python, because you already have libraries and all. So then you can learn, like after learning about the data, then you can decide whatever you want to do. Now, this is my path. It doesn't mean it should be your path, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, hello, sir. I have completed MSc Statistics. Also did SAS certification. Looking for a job based on SAS. Now working as a statistical tutor. Is it be better to do Tableau? Yeah, Pratibha, because I think Srikanth has already answered that. There are companies that are looking with SAS plus Tableau. That is one thing. And second thing is, you already have statistics, right? And if you come into Tableau, then along with SAS, you are into a data visualization part. Now you'll get yourself familiarized with the data, and being a statistical developed tutor, because and you have an information or understanding about stats, then you can move towards data science, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So yeah, any other doubts, guys? Okay, so everyone, please get in touch with Srikanth. The number is 9121314333. Right? This is the phone number that you have to contact, so that he will give you any access related, course related, doubts, anything. You can talk to him. He will help you out in that. And again, I'm saying 18,000 if you register, if you enroll before tomorrow evening. And Manish, thank you, Manish, for the feedback, and Pratibha also. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Rajeshwar.
Yeah, welcome. Welcome, Ankit, and thank you for attending.